So, since most of you guys probably don't have a great budget, this is what we're going to be starting on.
What the heck do you mean? No, we're not, you idiot. No, you idiot. That's a lot better.
Alright, okay. So, I guess we're going to be learning on this thing. It's got a headlight. And, yeah, hold on, okay. So,
My great mechanic work.
yeah, alright. Kawasaki. I mean, the 110. Not really much else you need to say about this bike. Just the 110. We're going to teach you guys how to ride it, so let's go. So, if you guys want to learn how to ride a bike, then you first have to start with flipping it to the on position, run position. You're going to run when you hear this bike. It's just so loud and manly. You're going to put your kickstand up. You're going to, about fall over.
And your kickstand will be this thing right here.
Yeah, hopefully. And then, you're going to put it in gear. Cameraman, you can come over around here. You're just going to do this. Put your little nice Vans under it. And then...
Don't be an idiot and wear boots and a helmet.
You're going to twist the throttle. And you're going to be off. Well, I crashed earlier, so I think we're going to have to do some reinforcements with our budget. We have this guy. We picked him up off the street. We paid, I don't know how much for him. He said we put him in our white van to give him candy, and he hopped on in, so let's do it. We're going to start this bike for you, man. You're going to get on. Alright. Well, they grew up so fast. Alright guys, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed that video. We just put these videos out to have fun. So, I'll see you all later. And this is basically, these are the two quad guys. I'm a dirt bike guy. I love dirt bikes and everything. So, see you all later.